yellow ducks in a line. They waddle around feeling fine, with feathers bright and tails so round, quacking happily, what a sound. They march along in a perfect row, to the pond they love to go, splashing in the water cool. Little ducks think it's their pool. One jumps in, then two, then three. Soon they're swimming wild and free, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, ducklings splashing everywhere. When the sun begins to set, it's time to dry without a fret. They shake their feathers soft and dry underneath the evening sky. So off they go, those ducks so sweet, waddling home on their little wet feet, dreaming dreams of water blue. Tomorrow they'll splash again too. La.